Hello,
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. So I'm planning to study in India, and I heard Vignan University is a good university, but I'm not sure how the admission process works for international students. Can you help me out?
Yes, of course. The whole process is online and is student friendly. Let me break it down for you. Firstly, you go to international admissions portal. It's internationaladmissions.vignan.ac.in. That is where you submit your application form, upload your academic documents, passport copy, and a recent photo. After that, the university will then review your application. And then, if you meet the basic eligible criteria, you receive a conditional admission letter.
That sounds easy. So what happens next?
Then you pay the admission fee. Once it's confirmed, you receive a provisional admission letter and a visa request letter, which are very useful for the application of your visa.
So do I have to go to the Indian embassy for the application of the visa?
No, not anymore, not anymore. You can now do that at the comfort of your home online again.
Okay, once I get my visa, is there anything else I should prepare?
Yes, you need to do your vaccinations, get your medical test, and you need to exchange all your currency. This will actually make your travel easier and smooth. And when booking for a flight, make sure the final destination is Vijayawada. That's the nearest city to our campus.
Got it. Where and when do I have to reach?
Oh, you have to arrive at the campus on or before the date mentioned on your admissions letter.
So what happens after I arrive?
After you arrive, we will help you set up your local bank account, get your medical insurance, and assist you with the FRRO registration process.
What is FRO?
Foreigners Regional Registration Office. It's a legal process for all international students that are staying in India for more than 180 days, and it has to be done within 14 days of arrival.
That sounds too complicated.
No, don't worry. The international student cell got you covered. They'll help you with all the processes that are needed.
Okay. So what happens if there's an emergency back home and I need to return?
Okay. The university will assist you with the emergency travel documents. And if you are on a scholarship, they'll even contact the embassy or the sponsors.
Okay. Wow, I can see that this is well organized and I'm feeling much more confident than before. Thank you a lot. Thanks a lot.
You are welcome, and I'm glad you understood the whole process. Vignan University is the best place to be. Hoping to see you on campus soon.